So this was another shoe that had a weird release. It was like a Packers exclusive, like for one day, and then like a few boutiques ended up dropping them like maybe a week later. But as you can see, I got these from overseas, man. LVR, you know, not that DH Gate stuff. I can't pronounce it, so I just stick with LVR. But they actually had these sitting. And these shoes sold out pretty fast, believe it or not. I know y'all don't like certain models, and yeah. And based on the shoe that this is like, I guess got its inspiration from, I really thought these were gonna go on sale. But I'm glad I caught when I did, because I would have been mad because I was waiting on these joints. Whew. These look huge. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So we have the Adidas Crazy Infinity 2. So let's go ahead and throw these on feet, and I'll give you my size and recommendation. So hopefully the audio is clear, but for my sizing recommendation, I would definitely go up a half size at least. If you have a wider foot, maybe even a whole size. And they're surprisingly comfortable with the extra padding in there. You can definitely feel it when you put the shoe on. Overall, I definitely recommend these shoes, definitely from a comfort standpoint. I think they look good on feet personally, but y'all can be the judge with the on foot video. But yeah, go up a half size at least, maybe even a whole size if you have a wider foot. All right, let's get back to this review. So hopefully that helps you make your decision one way or another. But like these are fire, man. Like, if you don't know that these are inspired, well, to me they're inspired by the Kobe one or the Crazy one. Do I have a pair close by? Yeah. I'll get this one. So as you can see, so you can see the similarity in the two. You know, the hidden 3 stripes there, right there. The sole. I think the sole is really what gives it away. As you can see, pretty much the same outsole. The toe box, kind of similar. You know, if you see where it draws the inspiration. But yeah, this shoe, like I said, I was waiting on these, man. Like, from initial pictures, I just knew these were coming home. There's another colorway dropping in the fall. I think it's like a chocolate brown type shade. I think I would add that one, but that'll probably be the only two that I get, unless they come out with something crazier. But I think two pairs of these, I think I'm good with that personally. But it is an Adidas basketball shoe. I wasn't hooping these personally. They do come with the shroud, similar to like the Gary Payton glove joint. Then you get another Adidas logo on the tongue. I could definitely see Kobe hooping in these back in the day, man, for sure. If they would have released these back then. I know the Crazy one was ahead of its time. A lot of what is that? A plane. Okay, but yeah, a lot of those shoes were definitely ahead of their time, and people didn't appreciate them, man. Even now, it was like diehard fans are the only people that appreciate these retro Adidas that are dropping now, man. And then, you know, he went with Nike and everybody fell in love with the Kobe shoe.
Except for like the first couple joints. I think once they start hitting the 4s with the low tops, that's when everybody start respecting the Kobe shoe. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm not sure if that was like the last release of these, or there's gonna be a wider release. I couldn't tell you. I just know these just popped up out of nowhere, no release date. Packers dropped, and then a few boutiques online, you know, especially a lot of the European sites. Luckily, I was up when these dropped, and I was able to get a 12.5. Due to the sizing recommendation from the website. So like I said, you know, in the on foot, I told you how I felt about the sizing. What are you, glue stains? Yeah, glue marks. Okay. You can't get perfect parity these days, man. It's crazy. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these. I know a lot of people aren't going to like them. And I mean, you know, if you've been around here for a while, that's like the basis of my channel, man. Weird, obscure kicks. Aside from, you know, the traditional Nike, Jordan stuff, Yeezy that everybody likes. You gotta, you know, do something different every now and then. As long as you, like, actually like it. Don't just buy something different for the sake of being different, because that's just a waste of money. If you're not going to wear them, then why buy them? But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know y'all been asking for an on-foot video, so I went ahead and threw that in there. Moving forward, I'm definitely going to incorporate that more. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and get these videos out because they've been sitting for a minute, so I had some free time. I said, let me go ahead, man. It's been a minute, man. I know y'all missed me. Probably not, but I'm going to, in my head, y'all missed me, so I wanted to, you know what I'm saying, put this video out for y'all. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. That's going to do it for this one.